In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the SAP physical inventory process. Physical inventory plays a crucial role in ensuring accurate inventory quantities and maintaining a balanced balance sheet. So let's explore how it works in SAP. SAP offers 4 different physical inventory strategies, each designed to meet specific company needs. The first strategy is the periodical physical inventory method. Here, all stocks are physically counted on a predetermined key date. During this count, no materials are allowed to move. The next strategy is continuous physical inventory. In this approach, stocks are counted throughout the entire year. It is essential to have checks in place to ensure that every material is physically counted at least once during the year. The third strategy is called cycle counting. This method involves counting inventory at regular intervals throughout the year. Typically, materials that move quickly through inventory frequently, while those that stay longer are counted less often. Lastly, we have the inventory sampling. This strategy involves randomly selecting material stocks and counting them. If the counted quantity closely matches the book inventory balance, it is assumed that the book inventory for each materials is also correct. Now that we have covered the different strategies, let's move on to the general physical inventory process. Step 1 is preparation. During this phase, physical inventory documents are created and printed. These documents are then distributed to the individuals responsible for the actual counting. In SAP, materials are blocked for posting, ensuring that they can't be moved until the process is complete. Additionally, a separate document is required for each storage location. Moving on to the step 2, we have the count. This is where stocks are physically counted and the results are recorded on the printed documents. Lastly, we have step 3, physical inventory analysis. During this phase, the count results are entered into SAP. If the results seem to be significantly different from the expected value, a recount can be initiated. Once the count is considered accurate, any inventory differences are posted. By following these steps, companies ensure that both inventory quantities in the system and the balance sheet remain accurate. Accurate inventory data is crucial for a business to control costs and provide excellent customer services by ensuring timely deliveries. SAP's physical inventory process helps achieve these goals. That's all for today's video on the SAP physical inventory process. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you want to learn more about SAP and other related topics, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for future updates and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video.